Hello everyone, my name is Gautam and I welcome you all to this very first demo session of Vendornode. In this session we will see how we can import the existing install base within your organization using a CSV template. So to start with, this is what it looks like within our Vendornode's portal. Simply click on the cog icon, upload CSV, and then use this button to download the document. So here you go. I have a pre-filled one. So once you download the template, it will essentially have, so let me just show that to you. So this is what a blank template would look like. Serial number, model number, description, category, customer equipment ID, installed site, state, country, delivery date, commissioning date, manufacturer equipment status. So this one is done keeping an OEM from an OEM perspective, but this can also be done from an end user's perspective, where we'll have additional details like plant ID, vendor detail, which is already here, manufacturer, and so on. So once you fill this information using your existing install base, which could be in an Excel document or any CRM portal or ERP portal, this is what our dummy install base data looks like. This has got 1000 rows of information. So let's start importing this to the portal. So browse and open. Now it's uploading. Okay, so this is your 1000 rows of data. So just minimize, zoom out screen a little bit. Okay, same format, serial number, model number, and so on, customer equipment ID, so on. So this is what it looks like once you've imported your CSV into Vendornode. You can do keyword searching. Say, for example, looking for crushing related information. Search and or even a model number, say CRX 200, or asset ID. Just going to use the last bit, 986. Okay, so asset ID. You can do any kind of searching within the install base in our portal. Further, it has got functionality that allows you to edit information. So this is the edit window for any row. Say, for example, we are editing this piece of information with manufacturer detail. By changing that, MFR 4. Okay, save changes. All right. So MFR BO4. Now this is updated with the new details. Now next, let's look into master data. Or actually, before going to master data, I want to show you how to insert new rows within the install base. So you've imported your CSV and your existing install base. Now you want to add a new row. How you will do that? So start with your serial number, test, say 2026, set status, operational, in production, model number. So what you're seeing here is the data coming from the master. So once you import your install base, Vendornode sets up the master for the install base data that it receives for your organization. Now I just select any of that, model number, description, category, interstate, Western Australia, manufacturer, say. So this is all coming from the master data. We'll go through that in a moment. Customer, C1255, install site, okay, delivery date, state, commission date, state, submit. So you've just created another row within your install base. So as your organization sell more and more equipment, you can keep a record of that within this space in a portal. So master data. So this is what the master data looks like. Category master, equipment master, customer master, and site master. So category master, this is where you are looking at all the categories that has been registered based on the install base data. You can create new categories, absolutely, new equipments. So this is equipment master. There's many unique equipments are available within your install base. There's many unique customers within your install base. Same with the site. So now what are these numbers? Basically, it's telling you how many model numbers are associated with this particular category as per your install base, and then how many customers are using this particular category on their plant side, and what are the install sites where this category is present. So basically, if you look into that 20, now this is telling us that these are the 20 sites that are using this particular category, and then 7 on this side, 8 on this side. These are for analytics purpose mostly. And then look at this model number. So there are 97 unique models present within the install base associated to crushing equipment, and these are the model numbers. So customers, so you want to know who, like say high value customer. So this particular customer is associated to 36 model numbers. So this particular customer is using these equipments as per your install base data. Okay, so you can search it further. So CRX 207. Okay. So, again, for better understanding of install base, you can utilize this application. Now, similarly, sites. Okay, so your presence is currently on these sites. So I'll show you. So we can add geolocations here as well. So say headquarters, mine, mine. Let's try this one. Okay, so we just linked this particular mine site to its geolocation. Try another one. Okay, same thing again. So what you're seeing here is the geolocation, the actual mine site, and this icon here will take you to map version of the install base. So let's try that. Yeah, now it's actually telling you where this particular location is, and On this side, it's telling you how many customers are operating within that particular mine site and what sort of equipments they are running within their site. Again, these are all synthetic data for the purpose of illustration, but it behaves the same way with real information as well. So now this particular customer 61, it's got 6 assets running in that particular mine site. Okay, and with the master data, as you have seen the numbers, you can sort most of this information. Say description, or change it. Okay, so alphabetical sorting. Then also you have to sort which customer is using max number of equipment. Okay, so sorry, this one is telling us that which is the most equipment installed on site based on the customer data. So this particular model number has been used by 12 customers. So customer 23, 9, 17, they are all using this particular asset model. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.